Have you been looking for prestigious, luxurious, affordable shortlet apartment in Lagos? Hey guys, come with me as we visit one of the most prestigious, luxurious and affordable shortlet apartments in Lagos mainland. I'm not talking about the island, guys. So if you're in Lagos, you're in any other part of the world, regardless of your time zone, this is the place.
Welcome back and welcome to my channel. My name is Funke Odode. I'm a business analyst, a social media strategist, and a content creator. Today, we are deep diving into real estate in Nigeria, which is one of the hottest ways to build wealth. We're going to talk about how to start real estate business in Nigeria, how to start real estate business with no money this year, because everyone is trying to hit the bag.
Today, we are doing something different on this channel. We're talking about shortlet apartments and their advantages. We are specifically talking about a particular shortlet apartment here in Lagos, and I'm going to be taking you around. And my viewers in the diaspora, this is your chance. If you're coming back home, you guys should just book yourself a nice place right here. Let your families come and meet you in this shortlet apartment. Very luxurious, very convenient, very affordable. Stick with me and you're going to see every bit of what we're going to do today. I'm going to be sharing some benefits of shortlet apartments versus hotel rooms. And you're going to see why you should go for your shortlet apartment. You see, for me, one of the very interesting benefits of shortlet apartments is the fact that it is cost effective. That is, you get to save a lot of money in shortlet apartments. Here is why. Shortlet apartments often provide better value for your money, especially for longer stays compared to hotel rooms. So you know we all want to save money in this Nigeria economy. Even economy outside Nigeria, people want to save money and get luxury at the same time. How do you marry the two if you are not coming to this place I want to tell you about? Another thing I love about shortlet apartments, it's that it's so much easier to book, especially during peak period. Guys, have you ever been stranded? Like you're trying to book a hotel. It's not like you don't have money. Now you don't have hotel options or access to a good one, right? Guys, I know some of you will feel me, especially those in the diaspora. Guys, if you're coming home and you want to be home away from home, you know, you don't want to the village people to okay, or you just want to be in a quiet environment, homely, having all facilities to yourself, guys, this is the place for you. So availability is key compared to hotel rooms.
It is worthy of observation that most shortlet apartments are in residential areas, so you can soak up the local culture without feeling like a JJC. Come with me, guys.
Girl, I wanna know. Girl, I wanna.
Many shortlet apartments come with high-speed Wi-Fi, washing machines, pools, and more. Hotels they try, but shortlets they overdo. Another thing is the pet-friendly options. You got a fur baby, that is a small dog, a little cat. Many shortlet apartments welcome pets. Unlike hotels, abeg, give your dog a chance to flex too. The investment potential is very high. If you are thinking about putting your money somewhere, shortlets offer one of the best returns in the Nigerian real estate game. No capping. So, if you don't have money to do business and you want to make money, guys, just liaise with one of the shortlet apartments and start talking about them on social media. Create content around them and also tell other people. Guys, the more you bring people, the more commissions you get. You can start real estate without having money. It is possible in Nigeria. The space in shortlet apartments is uncomparable to hotels. Unlike hotels, you get multiple rooms, a kitchen, a living area, perfect for families or your squad. So if you're having group of friends or you want your family to just have that weekend spend away, guys, just come to a shortlet apartment, book it and feel good, home away from home. Imagine hosting a mini jollof rice party. You can't try that in a hotel, can you? You can create content comfortably and shoot your movies here as well.
Another fantastic reason why I love shortlet apartments, it's because it has privacy. Guys, that is so important to us. Imagine if you're in a hotel room, you stand the chance of seeing any other guests, but in shortlet apartments you have fewer interactions with other guests. You hardly ever see other guests. Even though this building is a 3-story building shortlet apartment, you will still hardly see any other guests compared to regular hotels.
Whether you need it for one night or for 1 month, shortlets are ready for you. You dey control the narrative. The movie industry in Nigeria have resorted to booking the space from time to time. giving entertainment luxury vibe on a budget.
To be honest, for every woman, a kitchen is always one of the key factors when you're trying to choose a home, whether you're renting it or you're buying it. Right, ladies? Anyways, Shortlet Apartments also gives you the feel of home away from home. Just imagine having this kitchen all to yourself. You mean you don't have to eat out? You don't have to buy expensive food, especially when you choose to be on a certain diet? I mean, guys, this kitchen belongs to a 2-bedroom Shortlet apartment. Just 2 bedroom, and you have this kitchen to yourself. You can cook, you can wash dishes and dishes, keep stuffs in the cupboard, refrigerate your food. You have multiple options. Just behave like who you want to be. There are cupboards here as well. Get comfortable. There's a cylinder here filled with gas waiting for you. Yeah, and your cooker is right here. You have the electric and you have the cylinder. I mean, all functions, multiple functions. That is what we want in a Shortlet apartment. Let me show you another place. Typically, you just feel like you're right in your own home, like I'm at home. That's the feeling we want to give you. That's the feeling you want to have in any Shortlet apartment. Guys, come with me.
Look at such a comfortable bath space. You have your water heater, your shower, your tap, your toilet closet. Everything is well tiled, comfortable like you're at home. There is a mirror here, a cute one for you to check yourself out and arrange all your toiletries close by.
You can have as much as you want, as wide as you want it in a Shortlet apartment. Unlike a typical hotel room, you will have to pay more for the space. But for Shortlet apartments, it's either is a 3-bedroom, is a 2-bedroom, is a 4-bedroom, is a 5-bedroom, 6-bedroom, 7-bedroom. Okay, let's leave it at that. Okay, that is one of the reasons why I love Shortlet apartments. And guess what? They also have very comfortable bedroom apartments. Like, their sitting areas are always so cool. That is one of the reasons I like Shortlet apartments.
Why pay so much for a tiny hotel room when a Shortlet gives you more space and amenities for less? No be juju be that. Another thing is no random knocks from housekeeping or nosy neighbors. Your space, your rules. Simple as that. Shortlet apartments are just a bomb. The real estate business is a business you can engage in any part of Nigeria. The key benefits are endless. Real estate is the real gold mine. So Nigerians focus on this to make lots of money, especially in the long run. And when you talk about hotels, you talk about Shortlets, they are all part of real estate. The view from this point is just so impressive. A balcony to yourself. Wow. A chill out point. Who wouldn't love this? Guess what? Not all of these apartments have balconies, okay? But many of them do.
One of the benefits of a Shortlet apartment is that it provides a more personalized feel. That is, it gives you a homely living experience. You forget you're out. It gives you this beautiful terrain that you long to have, that you've always wished for. You see, when you have that leave, 1 week leave, 2 week leave, 1 month leave, you could come here with your family. And yes, your grandma, your grandpa, your great grandma, everyone can be in one space without having to be in each other's business, because the spaces are endless. You know, you have 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms. Just tell us which you want, and yeah, we are here to serve you. Guys, what do you think? Be honest, tell me, check it out. This is a homely feeling. This is what you want to have. Hey guys, come along. Come and see something beautiful. Oh, I love this feeling. For this luxury apartment, all rooms are en suite. That is, they have their own bathroom and toilets, right? They have their mirrors, their wardrobe, their sitting chairs, a table, a leg rest, their TV, other appliances. And they also have a guest toilet. So when your guests come around, right, they come to visit you in your Shortlet apartment, they don't have to go to the room to go and ease themselves or to go and freshen up. They can just stay right here in the living room, go to the guest toilet, and yeah, you have your privacy. So when we say privacy, we know privacy is privacy. Another thing is that it has a balcony. Look at the view. You only get this at home. I always have you. You guys should come and see affordability, come and see luxury, come and see home away from home. I don't kid you. My viewers outside of Nigeria, most of you have come from other African countries. I don't give you nonsense. Whether I'm talking about shoes, I'm talking about hair, I'm talking about body products, you know I give you the real deal. So when I come to a shortlet apartment or any property and I'm telling you this is it, they know that this is it. Guys, this is it.
Listen, the demand for shortlets in Nigeria dey hot like fire with jollof rice.
Having a comfortable kitchen allows guests to prepare their own meals, having to save money from expensive takeouts. So you can bring your stew from home, you can refrigerate it. We have a refrigerator right here. You can microwave your food. You can cook conveniently. We have a gas cooker and we have a cylinder right here. And if you want to use electric, guys, we have a blender. We have our dish rack where we have plates, other cutleries, teacups, grinder. Just make yourself comfortable. And yes, our water system is running 24/7. Our lights are 24/7. Guys, we have cupboards where you can keep items that you don't want to be seen. We also have cupboards where you can keep beverages that you don't want to store in the refrigerator. What else are you waiting for? Look at our apartments. Guys, we give you 3-star hotel for the price of nothing. I mean, luxury meets convenience. Luxury meets affordability. Guess what? This gives you a chance to cook your meals, especially when you're on a particular diet and you don't want to eat takeouts. You don't want to start going to all the eateries around the world. You just want to like stick to what you got. Guys, we've got you. Do you want a juicer? We have it here. You want a blender? We have it here. You want a microwave? We have it here. I mean, we make life convenient and comfortable for you and your household. So if you're looking for that holiday, like you don't want to stay at home, yet you don't want to go out of the country, you just want a convenient and comfortable environment with luxury and class, and you know, that serene environment, yeah, we've got you. Come, book your appointments. Let me know what you want. If you're in the diaspora and you want to book any of these apartments, I'm going to put the number on the screen so that you guys can contact them, make your inquiries. And guess what? I promise you this number I'm going to put on the screen is a very, very reliable number. So guys, just take the number, call the number, and they will give you all the details that you need about this apartment.
In this shortlet, you have 24/7 power supply, no generator wahala. It's a prime area with easy access to banks, malls, and top-tier restaurants. Everything dey your doorstep. As for security, we've got you. It's located in a gated community with top-notch security. Wouldn't you love that? Between remote work, entertainment, tourism, and events, everyone wants a space that feels like home but flexes like a hotel. Investing in shortlets now means you're positioning yourself for high ROI and steady cash flow. If you're serious about making this move, start small, start smart. But start now. Don't let opportunity pass you by like Lagos traffic. And that's it for today. Shortlet apartments are the real MPVs. Whether you're looking for a staycation or an investment opportunity, business ideas in Nigeria, this is the way to go. This is a profitable business idea that you can engage in this year and will make you lots of money. Whether you are the owner of the property or not, engage in affiliate marketing when it comes to shortlet apartment, and it makes good money. If you enjoyed this video, I beg, hit the like button, share with your people, and don't forget to subscribe to Fubi Finance for more Boost money tips. We are bringing the hits every week.